Now we're gonna go to the top of the dam, so that'll probably be more interesting.
Nó có vô cái siêu vàng cái Bắc Kinh siêu tra là
Sometimes
No. There are some helicopter tours.
đâu có đậu Trà Lan, ông đậu đúng cái chỗ của ổng, giờ ổng đi ra đây ổng đụng đúng cái tại thằng kia nó đi mà nó đi trước mặt người ta để mà chỉ ra cái đó ổng
So it's named after Mike Callahan. So and the big Tillman. Arizona is.
đi ra đánh không.
So we're gonna go drive on top of the dam, and we'll make a quick trip to Arizona. So there is a gray structure here on the left. That's a crane. That's how they were lowering buckets of cement. And it's actually still operational. So the buckets were 7 feet tall, 7 feet in diameter. So they were adding water and cement and mixing it with their feet. What it is, well, there wasn't any mixers back then. So the dam is not one big pour. It's actually, so it was going block by block. The dam has enough concrete to lay two-lane road between San Francisco and New York.
This is nice.
So it's only 45 feet on top, and it's 660 feet wide or long, whatever, how you look at it, right? So it's almost two football fields at the bottom. It's the second tallest dam in the United States. The tallest one is at the Lake Oroville, at the Oroville Dam. And that one has made the news 2017. Their spillway broke. And we're waiting for a disaster. But hopefully everything went well.
So when they did last
Alright, so last time they did in 1983.
What was the reason?
No, it's just lake was overfilling. So here's the visitor center on the right. There's the tours, the turbine room tours. They didn't reopen yet, but I've done that several times. Not because I want it, just because I have friends and families in town. So it's a 2-minute elevator ride. So when you get out of the elevator, you end up in the caves. But there's water seeping through the walls. And it's not actually the river water, it's the cement that's still dry. Yeah, after more than 80 years, it's not fully cured. They say it's going to take another 100 to fully dry.
You say that's not open?
It just didn't reopen after.
They expect it to open?
So as a matter of fact, I am in Arizona. and you are still guys in Nevada.
He's the one who be my
Ở
friend.
cái bên này á là đi qua
Thanks
bên
for
kia.
joining. We just entered the Mountain Time Zone. So, but we are now, we're in the same time with Arizona right now.
Bây giờ bên này.
But pretty soon in about a month, yeah, we will change. So we're gonna change the clock. Arizona, they won't do it because the state don't do it. But it would change. Your clock would change during the winter. Would change an hour. They predicted that the dam will last for 80,000 years, but it will last only 2 years without maintenance.
Tại vì
Did you get a picture?
no, it's okay.
Yeah, okay.
So we're gonna drive on top of this one of the spillways. There are 2 spillways, one here, another one on the other side. But they had to dig 2 tunnels before they would build anything. And look to the right here, down below there. Can't stop, but they have to just go nice and slow. So there's 2 tunnels. There are 2,200 feet long.
I can see it.
So first, before the dam
Can you
was
see it?
going up, they had to dry this area up and reroute the river. So that's the purpose of those 2 tunnels. And now we use them as spillways. Again, they used spillways only once. In 1983, when the lake was overfilling, that was it. When I got here in 1998, the lake was full.
Đây mà có cái núi đó, cái cầu ha. Đánh cái dòng. Mà lên đây nằm ở đây. Cũng không thấy luôn.
Oh shit.
Đây nè, vào đây nè.
Sun very high.
Kéo gần lại, kéo gần lại.
Yeah, we'll make a stop right here, guys, in a couple of minutes at this parking lot. But I'm gonna climb up just for a little bit here, and you get a better look at one of those tunnels. We're not gonna get off right here. Just stop for a few seconds.
Hmm.
Kéo gần lại.
So, because again, there's the 2 of them, another one way on opposite side, and they're identical. And they can take as much water as Niagara Falls at once.
This one here.
Yeah, that one, the other one is hidden over there. You won't see.
Okay.
Rút nước ra.
But both spillways, they're exactly the same on both sides.
Nước tắm còn kia.
Now, pass along this picture. So this is from 1983. That's when the lake was full. So just pass it along, guys.
Wow. It is cool.
These towers, these pictures of that to show us.
Look on the other side. Is that on the back side?
I think that's 2 towers right there. Look on this picture.
Thank you.
See how it is exact straight line, right? Between dark colors and lighter colors. So the lighter colors, well, God doesn't make straight lines. People do.
Chụp ảnh với cái đoạn này.
So that's where the water was up that high.
Oh, that's some
Correct.
good
So,
picture.
all the lighter colors, this is all calcium that
Yeah.
washes off from Rocky Mountains.
Oh.
Cao cao lên.
So it goes into a lake or river, right? When the lake is drying, that keeps leaving the mark.
Kia chụp đi.
That's a lot of water.
All right, here's another 10
Okay.
minutes photo opportunity.
Rồi đi xuống. Bên này đi nữa. Ok.
Right, ma'am.
Ngồi xuống trần là tha hồ.
Wow.
Rồi lấy cái nón đi xuống. Rồi để em xuống. Để mình nó trơn rồi. Khoan khoan, hồi nãy em ngồi xuống
There you go.
đi cho nó.
That's how you do it.
Thank you.
Awesome. Awesome. This fucking is fuck. Awesome. Oh, here we go. This is a nice little trip.
Oh yeah, there's plenty.
Fucking hell, it's hot out here.
And it's just a portion.
Rồi bên này border. Bên ranh giới.
Sometimes if you don't, they'll just. Thank you.